In this video, I'm going to show you how to change touch mode in Microsoft Edge in just a few quick steps. This is a really useful setting if you use a touchscreen device, a tablet, or even if you just want Edge to feel a little easier to use. Touch mode changes the spacing and layout of buttons and tabs so they're simpler to tap and navigate. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Now let's jump right into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main settings and options menu. From there, click settings. This will take you to the Edge settings page where you can control how the browser looks and behaves. On the left-hand side, click appearance. In the appearance section, you'll find several customization options for the browser interface, including themes, toolbar settings, and layout preferences. Now scroll until you find the touch mode option. You'll see a drop-down menu next to it. Click that drop-down and you'll be able to choose from three options: on, off, or auto. If you choose on, Edge will use the touch-friendly layout all the time. If you choose off, touch mode will stay disabled and Edge will use the standard desktop layout. And if you choose auto, Edge will decide automatically based on the device you're using. Once you've selected the option you want, the change should apply right away. You don't need to restart Edge, and you can test it immediately by looking at the spacing of the tabs and buttons. If you're using a touchscreen, setting touch mode to on can make browsing feel much smoother. If you're on a regular laptop or desktop, auto is usually the best choice because it gives you flexibility without needing to change the setting manually. And that's it. You've now learned how to change touch mode in Edge. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.